Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and as you can see, I am coming at you guys in this video with no eyebrows on. And that is because I am going to be reviewing an eyebrow product, and as you can tell by the title of this video, this particular eyebrow product that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys is the Wonderbrow One Step Brow Gel. Now obviously, since this is going to be a first impressions review, I have never used this product before, and I've actually never even heard of it before, but it was given to me as a gift, so I thought I would just come on here, try it for the first time, and give you guys my thoughts on it. But yeah, that's basically it. Let's just jump right on into this video because I cannot stand looking at myself with no eyebrows on. So if you would like to see this first impressions review on the Wonderbrow One Step Brow Gel, then just keep on watching. Now, like I said, this was given to me as a gift, so I did not purchase it myself, but I do know you can get it online, and I was just looking on my phone because I kind of just wanted to pull up the product and read the description of it. But the particular site that I am referring to is called Wonder2, which I'm assuming is the main site or brand of this product, but I did see that you can get it on Amazon and then probably some other sites. I'm just gonna read the little description that they have on their website, and then we will get into what comes with this product and then how to use it, and then we'll go ahead and try it out. So on their website, from the Wonder2 website, it does price this product at $22. And it looks like they have 5 different colors to choose from, and those colors include blonde, brunette, auburn, black, brown, and then jet black. So to read the description of this product, it says, perfect even the most disobedient of brows with our one-step long-wear eyebrow gel, Wonderbrow from Wonder2. Define, fill, and thicken for a more natural brow look that is completely waterproof, smudge-proof, transfer-proof, and lasts up to 3 days. Easily brush on the natural-looking gel infused with hair-like fibers to fill and sculpt. Choose from one of our 5 natural Wonderbrow colors. If you're not sure which color is for you, take a look at our Wonderbrow color chart below. So yeah, they do have a little color chart on their website, which basically just looks like that. So I think it gives like a little description of like what your hair color is, and that kind of matches with which shade you should go with. So yeah, that's the description and kind of the other information that is on that website for this product. So what you get with this product is these 2 things right here. So of course you get the brow gel, and it just says Wonderbrow on it, but it does say, yeah, brow gel on the bottom. And then you also just get a little spoolie, I believe, to just like comb through your brows and shape them. And then of course you get directions, which this is what I'm going to be referring to when trying this product out. Now, like I said, this was given to me, so I didn't purchase this myself and I didn't pick out the shade. So the particular shade that I have is black brown, but I think it may work for me because I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it too well on camera, but it's pretty light in person. Like it almost like my natural, you can kind of see my roots coming in, like my natural hair, that's like pretty much what it looks like. So I feel like even though it says brown black as the shade, I feel like it'll match my eyebrows pretty well, but we're gonna try it out in this video to see if the color that ends up on our brows is similar to how it looks in the tube. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and read the directions real quick. So it says, apply Wonderbrow to a clean, dry brow free from other makeup or moisturizers. Start filling in sparse spots with short, feathery strokes with the applicator or an angled brow brush as desired. Once applied, soften the product by grooming the brow upwards and outwards with the spoolie brush. Reapply product if more coverage is needed. For optimum results, do not apply cream or moisturizer over application areas. For removal before the 3 days, apply an oil-based cleanser or oil directly under Wonderbrow, or over Wonderbrow, sorry. And then massage, then gently remove with a cotton pad. Okay, so it seems pretty like straightforward. You're just gonna like brush the product through your brows, and then yeah, like I said, with the spoolie, you'll just go in and kind of even out your brows, shape them a little bit and things like that. Now, I do already have makeup on, like I have like foundation and powder, so I mean, I hope that doesn't like mess with this process, because obviously I don't really care if I get like foundation or powder over my brows. So that may mess with our results, but we're just gonna try it out anyways. And then if it ends up not going according to plan, then maybe I'll try that out in the future, like with no makeup or moisturizer on, to see if that makes a difference. But oh well, we're just gonna go ahead and try it out anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay, so to open it up, oh, it's like an actual like brush. That's interesting. I assumed it was gonna be like a spoolie, and there's like quite a bit of product on there, so I hope this goes well. I hope I don't put too much product on, but oh, I guess with the spoolie, like you could easily get, you know, like excessive product off your eyebrows. Okay, so I just have my mirror over here, so I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and dive right in. I don't know, should I start at like the tail and move my way upward? Maybe that's what I'll do, because I feel like if I do start from like the very like beginnings of my brows, then I feel like they're gonna get a little too dark and they won't really get that like nice fade effect, if that makes any sense. Okay, it's definitely coming off darker than I feel like how it looks in the tube, but we'll have to see after like we like use the spoolie. So just gonna brush this through. I am shook right now. Like, that looks so good. I'm like literally speechless. Like, that looks amazing. I feel like I need to go in a little bit more just up here because there's just a few little hairs, especially like near like my arch area, that didn't really get as much product on it. But other than that, like, are you guys seeing this? Like, that is amazing. And I was right. After like brushing it through, it definitely diffused the color a little bit. So this is definitely like the color of how my eyebrows usually are when I fill them in. Like, that is so amazing. Like, that looks so good. And all I had to do was put the product on there and brush it through with the spoolie, and that's it. As far as how it feels, I mean, I feel like it feels a tiny bit sticky, but of course I did just apply it, so I don't know if like over time that would go away. But like, I honestly, just even looking at it, I feel like I don't have to apply anything else. Like, I don't have to apply a powder or like my clear brow gel over it, because this product does all of that. Like, it fills it in, and then when you go in with the spoolie, like, you can like shape your eyebrows into place and like they stay there. I was not expecting it to be this awesome. Like, I feel like it is a little bit more on the pricier side, but like I literally did that in like less than a minute. Like, for me, this is like a life changer, because I'm definitely someone that like needs my eyebrows filled in, and like using this, it's so quick and easy and simple, and like it looks so good. Like, I'm really blown away. Okay, I'm gonna like quit talking and quit raving, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eyebrow, and then I'll come back and then I'll do any more touch-up that need to be done. Okay, so I went in and did the other eyebrow. Now I'm gonna go back in and just do some touch-ups like near my arch area, and then I need to touch up a little bit at the beginning of this eyebrow. Okay, so I went through and I touched everything up, and I am just, seriously, I am still just so blown away, like how like easy and simple that was to do, and also how quick the whole process was. Like I said, it literally took me less than a minute to work on one eyebrow, and then it probably, just to touch everything back up, that probably took me like another minute. So like in full, that whole process took me like only a few minutes to do. And not only that, but it's using one product. Like, you literally have your like gel, pomade, powder, whatever you use for your color, and your gel all in one product. So it was, but the whole thing was just super simple, and I'm just so amazed at how like my eyebrows look. Like, they literally look how I usually fill them in, and I usually use 3 different products to fill my eyebrows in, but in this case I only needed one plus a spoolie. The only thing that I do want to mention that I noticed when I went back and I was touching up certain areas on both of my eyebrows is I definitely think, or I would recommend, to do one eyebrow at a time. So like for example, I said with this one, when I went and filled it in for the first time, and I said like near my arch area is where I needed to like touch it up or fill it in a little bit more, I would just do that right away, because I noticed when I went back over to this eyebrow and I went to put more product on it and brush it through with the spoolie, it was very difficult because the powder or the product already like set in on my brow hair, so it was really hard to like comb through. So that definitely took a little bit of finessing, so I definitely would recommend just working on one eyebrow at a time, and then if you need to fill it in, just fill it in right away before the product sets in place. It's going to be a lot easier to work with, and that's going to save you even more time. And I would say even now they still feel a tiny bit sticky. I wouldn't say like super sticky, but yeah, that's just something I'm noticing just from touching them right now. I'm definitely going to keep an eye on that throughout the day just to see if that stickiness goes away. But as far as my actual brow hairs, like they're staying place, like you can definitely tell like this product not only obviously has color in it, but it's like an amazing brow gel. And yeah, like the product is super pigmented and it matches the color that I usually apply onto my eyebrow. So that's also something else I want to mention. Of course, in the beginning of this video, I said that the shade that I have is in the brown black color, or the black brown color, but I definitely would say it's lighter than what you would think black brown to be. So that's just something to keep in mind. But yeah, that's basically it. I really don't have anything else to say about this product other than I absolutely love it. I think it is awesome. Once again, the only things that I guess would be more of like a con, which I already touched on the price. It is a little pricey. On the Wonder 2 website, it said that this product was $22. But honestly, because of how like quick and simple this whole process was, I definitely think that's a great price, and it's a good size tube. Like you get a lot of product in this tube, and you really don't need that much product to get like good color payoff and like get like a good brow gel, if that makes any sense. So even though it is a little bit more on the pricier side, in my opinion, I definitely think this product will last you a very long time. And then I guess the only other con that I just talked about was this product setting in pretty quickly, so it was hard to go back in and do the touch-ups, but that's just an easy and quick fix. Just work on one brow at a time and then you shouldn't really run into that obstacle. But yeah, other than that, the only other things that I can definitely say about this product is I absolutely love it. It was simple to use, it was quick, it's pigmented, it's like a good strong gel, so you know your eyebrow hairs are not gonna move around. Oh, and also like I said, I have like foundation and powder over top, and it was still easy to apply, so I feel like the other makeup that's on my face didn't really mess with this process, if that makes any sense. So I wouldn't really worry too much, even though like the directions say make sure like your eyebrows are like clean and dry and there's no other moisturizers or makeup over top of that. I wouldn't really worry about that too much. Obviously if you have a ton of like moisturizer, for example, over your eyebrows, I would just like wipe it off. But as far as other makeup, like if you do like your foundation and powder before you do your brows, I don't think that's that big of a deal. At least it wasn't for me using it for the first time. But yeah, I absolutely love this product. I definitely think this is going to be my new brow product, just because it's one product and it does so many different things. And I definitely would say my favorite thing about this product is how fast it is to do your brows using this product. Like you literally just put the product on your eyebrows, brush through with the spoolie, and then you're good to go. So yeah, I love it and I would 100% would recommend it to you guys. Alright everybody, and that is it for my first impressions review on the Wonder Brow One Step Brow Gel. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, that's basically all that I have for you guys today. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.